Yo, what's up everyone? So we are back now. It's like pretty early in the morning. The sun has just come up.
I can't seem to look away. I can't seem to look away. I can't seem to look away. I can't seem to look away.
But I'm gonna get a little bit more done on the Maker's Box. If you're not sure what that is, it's just pretty much my version of an engineer's toolbox, which is wooden and precise tools and the tools they use, or the tools they love. So I'm gonna get a little bit done. Not gonna go crazy and try to finish it all, but I'm just gonna get something done and be a little bit productive for the day. So you can see so far, pretty much once I finish a video or upload a video, I don't really do a whole lot to the box unless I'm kind of filming something. Only thing I did was really just cut that piece of timber, which I think will just slide in there, but then again, who knows. I feel like I want to build like another little compartment here, so this bit comes off obviously like so, and then there's another little compartment here which you can lift off, or some sort of a cantilever system where it actually folds out of the way, or this way, almost like a old school fishing tackle box. So I've got pretty much my last leftover piece of timber. I'm going to probably rip that down or find out some sort of measurements here, and then I'll build a little box for it. Alright, so we've got those pieces cut. I just got 3 out of that one section. Now it's going to be a bit of a tight fit because, well, I've got to find some sort of a little front piece that's actually going to slide in here. There just wasn't really enough timber and I didn't want to rip that down, so I'm going to find like a little just bit of scrap wood, something I can maybe fill it in with. So it is about 3 o'clock in the morning here in Australia, and the reason I'm out here is because my sleeping pattern is way off, but also I really want to get a start on the project and just really knuckle down and get something done. So that's why I'm out here early in the morning, and I've got my beanie on because it's about 13 degrees Celsius, or that in Fahrenheit for all the US people. So yeah,